Hi guys, I would like to say Merry Christmas to all of our supporters. Thank you so much for all the love and kindness that you have shown us over the year. We know that this year has been, or the past couple of years have been a really rough one with all that's going on in the world and everything, and some people they have a little bit of challenges, but we're able to see another Christmas for those who are here. um Enjoy the day as much as you can. If you're going to be cooking Christmas dinner or having family over, opening presents, all of that type of stuff, enjoy the day. If you're not going to be doing that and you're just at home, chilling and stuff like that, enjoy the day same way. Christmas doesn't always have to be about big food and always and the company like that. Sometimes if you want to be in your own space, that's perfectly fine. From my family to yours, I want to say thank you so much for all the support you guys have shown us over the past couple of years. We are very, very grateful for it. Your comments, all the things that you say when we put up our videos, stuff like that. We are very grateful for it. We're happy to know that people are out there watching us and you enjoy the videos that we post, and we will continue to post content for you guys. So, you can continue watch and enjoy and stuff like that. So once again, from my family to yours, have a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year, and we will see you in 2022. Bye, guys.